carefully get these fuel rails wiggled up. So check it out, we got the fuel rail disconnected out of the car. Got the new fuel injectors here. I'm just gonna show Josh how to get these installed. So it's actually really easy. There's retainer clips that hold these in. You just take a flathead, just pop these little retainer clips up. After that, the injector comes out, just like so. We'll just take our new injector and this injector lube, put a little bit on the top O-ring and the bottom O-ring, and make sure not to put it on the injector body itself down there, but we'll just put it on the O-ring. All right, it's a race. We're gonna see Josh versus Poe.
One has never done this before. One has done it too many times. You can't use tools.
Oh. We probably need to let him wash his hands.
Sorry, this is a race.
Perfect, hell yeah. It's your first injector install, let's go. Oh, dang, that was close.
It was a very close one.
Just like that, that is a professional install on some fuel injectors, man. That's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and get the fuel rail brought back over to the car. Oh, 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 oh.